Welcome to Arabic Today. I'm your host, Falla Dimman, coming to you from Algiers, capital city of Algeria. الدرس الخامس ضمائر المفرد المتصلة. Lesson 5 Singular attached pronouns. First, we explain the title. ضمائر المفرد المتصلة. As we have seen in Lesson 3, ضمائر is the plural of ضمير, pronoun. مفرد, singular. متصلة, attached, which gives in English the singular attached pronouns. ضمائر المفرد المتصلة are suffixes which substitute for nouns. They can be attached to nouns, verbs, and particles. When attached to nouns, they express possession. Their English equivalents are my, your, his, her, and its. The singular attached pronouns are very frequently used, so the sooner you get used to them, the better. ضمائر المفرد المتصلة are إي, كا, كي, هو, ها. Who and ha are used for both human and non-human nouns. Examples: in communicative situations, some expressions are used more than others. My name, your name are examples of such expressions. Let's consider the expression your name and see how to say and write it. First, the word for name is ism. You certainly remember this word since it's also the word for noun, as we have seen in the previous lessons. Now the question is how to say your name. The rule states that if the noun to be attached to the possessive suffix ends with tanween, this is replaced with the corresponding short vowel before the attachment. In this example, the noun in question is the word ism, which means name. As it is fully declinable, I show its three case endings. I recall that declension is the inflection of the end of a noun according to its syntactic function. تنوين ضمة, تنوين فتحة, and تنوين كسرة are the case markers of the singular indefinite noun. In this series, we will not deal yet with syntax, but we will try to have a head start by getting familiar with the inflections that show the different cases of nouns in the singular, dual, and plural forms. The compounds ismuka, ismaka, ismika all mean your name. The difference between them is syntactic, not semantic. The same rule applies for the three following suffixes, ki, hu, and ha, when attached to a word ending respectively with dhamma, fatha, and kasra. Note that when attached to kasra, the third person masculine suffix hu changes into he. The suffix e for my is a particular case. Indeed, whatever the ending vowel of the noun to which it is to be attached, the final consonant always takes kasra. Ismi. Now let's consider a feminine noun ending in ta marbuta. سيارة. Before we attach the suffixes, we first replace ta marbuta with a regular ta. سيارتي. سيارتك سيارتك سيارته سيارتها. The same rule applies when attaching the suffix hu to kasra. It changes into he. سيارته. The nouns abun, akhun are particular cases because we add an extra waw before the possessive suffix. Abi, abuka, abuki, abuhu, abuha. Akhi, akhuka, akhuki, akhuhu, akhuha. There are many other exceptions to the rule which you will learn in time. I just give those two because they are very common. Besides, we will use them later in sentences. Since there are exceptions to the rule, these compounds must be memorized as is. Exercise. Attach the possessive suffixes to the following nouns. Ibnun, ibnatun. Stop the video and try to do the exercise. The answers will appear in the next slide. Ibni, ibnuka, ibnuki, ibnuhu, ibnuha. Ibnati, ibnatuka, ibnatuki, ibnatuhu, ibnatuha. Simple sentences. Let's make sentences with the following nouns. Ismun, abun, akhun, ibnun, sayyaratun, ummun, ukhtun, ibnatun. Notice the letter surrounded by red. It is Hamzatul Wasli. I recall that Hamzatul Wasli is pronounced when at the beginning of the sentence, but not pronounced when in the middle. Ismi Layla, Majid Abi. علياء أمي ليلى ابنتها. هذه أختك تلك سيارتها. ذاك ابني اسمه أيمن. هذا أيمن هو أخوك. ليلى ابنتي ماجد أبوها. More sentences using this time non-human nouns. سيارة, مقود, عجلة. هذه سيارتي. هذا مقودها. وتلك عجلتها. بيت, باب, نافذة. هذا بيتك. ذاك بابه. وهذه نافذته. Time to wrap up. And that was all for this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Happy studies!